sing. And listen, don't just sing in the shower. Sing everywhere. Okay? Make a joyful noise. It's something about the vocal cords vibrating that sends signals to the brain to say, hey, we are good. We cannot be fighting or running for our lives if we are singing, right? It helps you control your breath because you're breathing and singing from the diaphragm, and it just allows you to go into that restful state. So you sing, honey, and if you can really sing, okay, blow, just woo, yes, put it out there, put it out there, put it on people. Let people hear your beautiful voice. And if you can't sing like me, tell them, don't judge, you're making a joyful noise. Okay, it's a joyful noise. And until we can sing, we making joyful noises. So